Hello, welcome to Sudo4. So, what is an Oracle VirtualBox appliance? So, as the name suggests, the appliance. So, appliance is termed as a fully configured software stack that already have all the pre-installed applications, images in it, and we can directly start using that fully deployed system just by importing it into our VirtualBox. So we are going to see in the next section how to export and import an appliance in Oracle VirtualBox. So let's open our VirtualBox. So I have this machine OEL7 demo. So this is an Oracle Enterprise Linux 7 installed on this machine. So I want to export this and then we can import it back as an appliance on any machine. So you can copy it and import it any of the VirtualBox. So you have to make sure that it is down. I will select that and I will simply go to my file and say export appliance. So it will give you the option which machine do you want to export. Okay. So remember you have to turn it off, as I have turned it off, so we are fine with it. So we will go ahead and click on next. It will mention the location where that OVA file or the appliance file would be created. Okay, so the Oracle virtualization appliance will only support OVF or the OVA extensions. Okay, so we will make sure to click next, and this is the path where the OVA file would be stored for this. I will go ahead and rest of the settings will be default. Click next. So it will have the details that what specific system it is going to export and their respective informations. If there are any, you want to edit any information, you can edit from here. So I will say export and it will start exporting the appliance. So it will do the disk image exporting as well. So it will take time depending upon the size of your virtual machine. So if you have a bigger disk attached to that machine, so it is going to take much more time in that. So let it run and I will pause the video for a while. Once this export is done, then I will show you how we have to go ahead and do the import of this appliance. Hello, so welcome back. So our appliance export was done. So we have an OVA file that was created. So let me show you the OVA file. So it was created in my directory documents, and this is the OVA file. And if you see the size of the file, so it is somewhere around 4.2 GB. So this has a pre-configured system that is already there. So now we are going to export that appliance into the VirtualBox. So it can be the VirtualBox on the same machine, it can be on a different machine. So we can use any of those. So let's see how to import. So we will go to our VirtualBox manager, click on import appliance, select the source. Okay, so we have our local file system, we are not doing anything from the cloud infrastructure. So we'll navigate. So this is our OVA file and we have to click open, and then next, this is done, we'll click enter. As soon as we hit enter, it will show you what is the machine base folder where it will be installed, and the naming by default it will change it to demo1, or we can say we can rename it and OVA image. And other settings it will take the same, but if we want we can change the settings respective to RAM and everything. We can go ahead and make that changes, and this would be the base directory where this machine would be created. Other than that, you will have all the same settings that are there. and we will just hit enter to proceed further, and it will start importing the appliance. So once the appliance is successfully configured and imported, you will see a new machine here. The name of that machine would be OEL7 demo OVA image. So that would be a machine created by the OVA image. So our importing of the appliance is completed. So now here we can see this is the new machine that was created after importing the appliance. Let's try to start and see. So this will work normal the same way how the exported machine was there. So it will be the same as your exported machine image. So whatever packages, whatever software, whatever RPMs were installed in your OI image, same would be available in your new machine that was created after importing that OI image or the appliance. Let it start. Give it some time. So here we are booted the system, and I will log in with the user ID and password. I was able to successfully log in to this imported appliance machine. So this is my machine that was imported. Thank you for watching.